We all want to get more students, but once you have them, how do you organize them? So, LearnCube's all-in-one online school platform already does a great job at managing your student and class information, but we're always striving to make it even better. You've told us that you need more ways to categorize students for reporting purposes, and we've listened. I'm happy to introduce our new custom tagging feature. Let's go to our student admin panel. Now you'll notice a couple of changes. First of all, we've got this new tags button on the top right here. We can view the list of tags I've already created or add another one. Let's say Dr. Pepper, for example. Coming back to our student admin panel, you can see two new columns in the overview page for your primary and secondary tags. We've designed these options to be flexible, so you can use them in the way that makes most sense for your organizational structure. Students can have one primary tag, which needs to be selected from my list. And we've also got secondary tags. You can add multiple secondary tags and they don't need to be from a set list. In these examples, you can see Łukasz works for Coca-Cola. Maybe this is a B2B student. I've also got Paolo and Joanna. Maybe these are students from the same family and I want to keep track of that. Let's add a new tag to Oliver here. I click on edit and then here on the left, I have the option to add a primary tag. Let's say he also works for Coca-Cola. In secondary tags, also B2B, and maybe he's our HR manager, so I want to see that in my reports. When I run a student export, I'm going to see the primary and secondary tags in the last two columns. The same with my student attendance export. I can run this from my past classes, and here my primary and second tags are on the right-hand side in the report. So, is this feature useful for you? How will you use it in your school? Please do let us know. Remember, your feedback is really important to us. It's what's allowed us to make such a great platform and keep making improvements all the time. So thank you and happy teaching.